Pop trigger time! Wow, that was a cleave pump. Is that what we call it?
Girls.
Okay, you gotta adjust the girls. All right, thanks for tuning in, everybody. I'm Samantha Shocker. Our co-hosts today are very own Brie Essrig.
Hello.
You can subscribe to her YouTube channel at Brie Essrig. Back in the hot seat, our director and editor, Tim Frisch, is here.
Thank you.
And you can also catch Tim on TYT's other show, Nerd Alert.
Yes, you can.
And also your Twitter.
Yes, Timmy Fresh.
Timmy Frisch. And Brad Ehrlich, catch him on the War Room on Current TV, as well as his various TV Guide specials.
I think the last one has aired, so I might have to wait. I don't know when they air. They actually tell me like 3 days later.
Okay.
Someone who watches Pop Trigger recently tweeted, wow, after all the various TV Guide special talks, I actually saw one. So thanks.
That's amazing. Okay. And you can catch me live at 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern on HLN on Dr. You're on Call. All right, let's get right to it. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Thank you, Tim. Justin Bieber apologizes to President Clinton for saying F you after peeing in a bucket. So I'm sure you guys have heard this story because it's all over the news. Now, TMZ obtained this video of Justin Bieber peeing in a mop bucket. Him and his friends were walking outside of a restaurant, which was part of a club. And so they were walking outside of like the back kitchen part of it where there is a mop bucket. And Justin Bieber thought this was a perfect place to relieve myself. So he pees in the mop bucket, he's laughing. His friends are encouraging him saying, oh, we the wild boys, yo. And
Wild kids.
I'm sorry, can you say that again?
we the wild kids, yo. And then also saying things like, that's the coolest piss ever. Now, after Justin Bieber peed in the mop bucket, he then picked up some cleaning liquid and sprayed a picture of President Clinton and said, F you, Bill Clinton. So, update to the story. Yesterday, Justin Bieber tweeted that he apparently talked to President Clinton. So a lot of news media outlets are saying that he probably apologized to President Clinton. So these are some of the tweets from yesterday. At Bill Clinton, thanks for taking the time to talk, Mr. President. Your words meant a lot. Hashtag great guy. He does another tweet. In life, you will make mistakes and people will try and tear you down, but you gotta stay positive, stay strong, and learn to be better. And always live to serve others and the Lord. Hashtag growing every day. Thoughts, 5 words or less.
I still believes.
For real, eBay that bucket.
A drop in the shit bucket.
President Clinton was PO'd. All right, so we have a lot to talk about. So first of all, what did you guys think about him peeing in the mop bucket?
Awesome. Did you hear the quote in the background where the guy's like, yo, man, you forget all the times you pee in the bathroom. You only remember the times you pee in a bucket.
Yeah, it's true. And this isn't really recent. This happened right after he was like 3 hours late to that concert. What did you guys think about him then taking the cleaning liquid and spraying the picture of President Clinton, former President Clinton, and then saying, F you, Bill Clinton?
The silver lining is at least he knew it was President Clinton.
That's true.
At least he
Canadian.
oh,
Canadian.
yeah, he's Canadian, also an idiot. And those two
Yeah.
things together are working against him,
Yeah.
but he still knew it was Bill Clinton, so good.
It's so weird that, like, had he said F you George Bush, it wouldn't have been as much of a story, or F you Obama, it wouldn't have been as much of a story. But, like, we all like Bill Clinton now.
If
F you
you Obama,
Oh, lots
people
of
would have
people.
been pissed. But F you
Yeah.
George Bush, people have been like,
Which is really sad.
I can get behind that. I really like the kid, but I can get behind that.
yeah, totally. Do you guys think that he called President Clinton, according to his text, to apologize?
Yes. Someone was like, I'm dialing the number. You're going to apologize. I just want to picture like you're Bill Clinton that day. And you're like, oh, I'm just kind of doing my work. And someone's phone ring and they're like, it's Justin Bieber, Mr. President. He's like, are you serious? All right, put him through. Justin, what's happening?
Oh my God.
And then it just ends with like, so can you send me some of them booby photos of Selena Gomez?
Yeah.
All right,
And we'll
good.
call it even. Do you think that Justin Bieber is trying to be better? Because he did have the hashtag that he's trying to be better, he's trying to grow. Do you think maybe Bill Clinton had some wise words for him?
I love
Or is
Bill-
this just him trying to do damage control?
I think everything's fake at this point.
Oh,
Let's be real. Let's be real.
cynical Brie.
Yeah,
Cynical
I
Brie.
mean, look.
So young and so jaded.
Can we write this off as typical 19-year-old drunk behavior? Or is Justin and his friends even more obnoxious than, say, typical 19-year-olds?
Well, I feel like peeing in the janitor's bucket was a step in the right direction for a drunk 19-year-old.
Instead of peeing in the corner.
He could have peed on the floor, and then the janitor would have had to mop it up and put it right in the bucket. That's, I
You
think
just dump the bucket.
I've seen so many drunk girls
Yeah.
pee on the
Or
floor
throw up.
at a bar.
I've worked in nightclubs. I've had to clean up throw up in corners. What is the worst thing you guys have done around 19 when you were drunk?
I don't have to be drunk in order to pee on something. I like to mark my territory.
Yeah,
Okay.
my worst one is not drunk. Whenever I really have to pee, and I go to a 7-Eleven and they're like, restrooms for employees only.
Yeah.
I was like, well, now I'm peeing outside on
Yeah.
your building.
Yeah.
This is happening.
Whoa.
If you gotta go, you have to go. I peed in an
Respect.
empty one of these before. True
I'm gonna
story.
pound it.
In my car. So I have. You have to go. Yeah, you girls pee in their cars more than you would know.
So hard too, especially when you're driving.
Oh, I've never done it driving. I pulled over and done it.
I mean, I haven't.
I was driving through it, and it was like after Thanksgiving, I was driving through like a pass where everyone's using the pass. You can't get around anyone. And I had to pee into a bottle. And
Like
I
a Gatorade bottle?
It was like a little mini Aquapod.
Okay.
And I filled it.
Don't you hate it when the level's rising and you can tell?
Yeah, it's like
Yes.
shut down all the garbage passes on the detention level. Shut down all the garbage passes on the detention level.
So not sure if our editors will edit out Tom's interjection here, but Tom wanted us to tell you guys that E! News just now reported that Bill Clinton said, apparently, to Justin Bieber that, hey, if peeing in a mop bucket, if you did, it's not the worst thing that could happen. Is that right, Tom?
If that's the worst thing you've ever done.
Big deal.
And at the end, he's like, and also, kid, watch out for your friends. Because they ain't real friends. They ain't leaking videos.
Yeah. Okay, what do you guys think about Justin Bieber's behavior? Do you think it's all that bad? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you all next time on Pop Trigger. We want to do a special thanks to MLTD.com. So if you want any of the clothes that we have worn, you can go to MLTD.com and you can put Pop Trigger in the checkout and you get 20% off. Boop.